Wintry day. I made bread today. Can't get to the supermarket and I'm out of birdseed. So I baked bread, which the ducks don't seem to mind. Low fat, no salt. Good for their cholesterol and their blood pressure. I would have thought with the snow they would have left like they did last snowstorm, but they're still here. Guess I'm going to be baking some more bread for tomorrow. Loads of ducks, loads of birds. Doesn't really get any better than this. Sharing that piece of bread. Alright, my hands are cold. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Stay warm.